The Gallery 1 and Gallery 2 homepage layouts include an area on the lower right-hand side of the page where you can add additional content. Let's take a look at a sample homepage that I have Gallery 1 loaded on and see this area that I'm talking about. This is the main text area, and off to the right is the right column area, which is currently blank. Let's go back to the admin and see what we can add there. So it is set to empty right now. So the first thing that we can add is what's called the event calendar. So if I select event calendar and hit save, the event calendar administration area will come up down here. And the first thing I can do is give the calendar a title. It's optional, but I'll go ahead and do it so you can see what it looks like. I'll just call it event calendar and click save. So let's go back to our sample home page and we'll go down to this area and I'll hit refresh. And then you'll see the calendar with the title event calendar. Go back to our admin. If you want to add events to the calendar, you would click on Manage Events. And to learn more about how to actually create an event, please take a look at the tutorial called Adding or Editing Events. And that'll go into great detail about how to add events to your event calendar. Let's look at the next option that we have here, and that's text area. So we'll go ahead and switch it to text area and hit save. And now down here comes up an editor for us where we can put in some text. So I'll just put in something simple. Okay, and then I can format and color my text. I'll just give it a green color here and hit save. And let's go back to our sample page and refresh. And we'll see that the calendar goes away and now it's replaced with what we put into that text editing area. Of course, this editor is just like all the other editors across the SiteProgress website, and meaning that you can include images here, hyperlinks, all of the things that this toolbar allows you to do. If you would like to learn more about how to do those functionalities, please take a look at the main text area tutorial, which goes into great detail on most of the tools in this toolbar. The last thing that we can choose for the top part of this column is an image. So I'll go ahead and select that and hit save. And here we'll see a placeholder image that just comes up, and we can upload an image directly to this location, and SiteProgress will size it appropriately for the right column area. So we do that by just clicking browse, and I'll just grab an image and upload it. And there it is. So let's go ahead now and look at our home page sample and go ahead and refresh, and there's the image with a nice border that SiteProgress puts on it for you and size to fit appropriately. Now, there's a lower area here that we also have that can be populated with some social media icons and links if we like. We have the options for Facebook and Twitter. So let's go ahead and say we want Facebook, and if you want to use Facebook, you need to go ahead in this area and actually paste in the full URL or address to your Facebook page, which you can just copy and paste when you're on Facebook right out of this location bar area, and then you would hit save. And then same thing with Twitter. If you want to put your Twitter account, you would just select yes, paste in the address to your Twitter page, and go ahead and hit save. Now we can also give this social media area a title, just like we did with the event calendar if we want, and we can say something like keep in touch and save that. And now we'll go over here and refresh the page, and there we have the title, keep in touch, a Facebook icon with a link, and a Twitter icon with a link. That's the right column options area. If you have any questions regarding this section, please send us an email at support@siteprogress.com.